the herb that survives. Heat, cold, neglect, and beginners. Thyme is one of the toughest herbs you can grow. It thrives in harsh conditions and loves dry soil. This herb supports respiratory health, immunity, and antimicrobial strength. It is a small plant with big power. To grow thyme, choose a container with great drainage. Place it in strong sunlight and water sparingly. Thyme grows fuller when you trim it regularly. Harvest the top stems to encourage more growth. If you want a nearly indestructible medicinal herb, thyme is unbeatable.